My father narrated to me from Sayyid ibn Abdullah, from Yaqub ibn Yazid, from Ibrahim ibn Uqba, from Ahmad ibn Amr ibn Muslim, from Al-Maythami, who said, 5 men from Kufa wanted to go and support Hussain ibn Ali alayhi salam. On their journey they passed by a village called Shahi, where they met 2 men, one of whom was elderly and the other was a youth. They greeted the 5 men. The old man said, I am from among the jinn, and this, referring to his young companion, is my nephew. We also want to support the oppressed man, Imam Hussain alayhi salam, and I have an idea. The 5 men asked him, what is your idea? He replied, I will fly and bring some information about the situation so that you can go to him informed. The 5 men replied, this is an excellent idea. So he disappeared from their sight. After an entire day, they heard his voice reciting the following poem. But they could not see him. I swear to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that I could not come back until I saw him in Taf with his cheeks covered with dust, and he had been slaughtered. He was surrounded by some men whose throats were gushing with blood. They were shining like lamps whose light had overcome darkness. I impelled my sumpter to go faster so that I could meet them before they died, and met their virgin Huris. Hussain alayhi salam was the light in which guidance was sought, and Allah is my witness that I am not forging a lie. Now he is pleased in the rooms in the neighborhood of the Messenger of Allah, Ba'tul and the Yar. Upon hearing this, one of the 5 men replied to him by reciting the following poem. Go back and stay committed to the grave through which the rains of blessings are poured until the day of judgment. I surely follow the same path that you have, and I drink from the cup which is filled with blessings. And I follow the path of those who have freed themselves from everything for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and have abandoned their dwellings, their wealth, and their loved ones. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum.